Morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Tuesday, June 10, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 5, verses 13 to 16. And that message is about the salt and light of the world. Both are practical and beneficial. Parehas po silang practical at kapaki-pakinabang. So our message for today is about being useful believers of Jesus Christ. Ang pagiging kapaki-pakinabang na mananampalataya ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Una, the believers are the ones who oppose and go against the evil system of this world. Ang mga mananampalataya ay ang mga sumasalungat at lumalaban sa masamang sistema ng sanlibutang ito. Second, the believers are the ones who promote and take care the faith, hope, and love to our Lord. Ang mga mananampalataya ang nagtataguyod at nangangalaga sa pananampalataya, pag-asa at pagmamahal sa ating Panginoon. And third, the believers are the ones who are the reflection of the goodness of God and sharing the gospel of salvation to everyone. Ang mga mananampalataya ay ang mga sumasalamin sa kabutihan ng Diyos at nagbabahagi ng Ebanghelyo sa kaligtasan ng lahat. Magandang umaga po and God bless us all.